In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can change your age on TikTok working in 2025. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing we need to do is head over to TikTok. From our For You, go to your profile, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then select Settings and Privacy. What we now need to do is we now need to scroll down until we see the option for Report a Problem. And then you want to click on the drop down menu for Account and Profile, and then select Editing Profile. Once we do this, you can then select Other, go down to the bottom of this page and then select Need More Help. Once we select this, as you can see, you want to type in Change Age. Now, once you type in Change Age, they will come back to you with some instructions. Now, as you can see, what you need to do is you need to click on this form, which will then open up a separate form that looks like this. Now you want to go to the topic, you want to go to General Account Enquiry, you want to click on the drop down, and then you want to select Age Verification. Now what you want to do is you want to enter in your username, enter in your contact email, and then you want to add in some additional details. So this could be something really simple like this. So when setting up my account, I put my date of birth in wrong. Could you please change this? Now once you do that, you will now need access to some form of ID just to verify your age and make sure that this is correct and this is legit. Now what you want to do is click on upload and then upload a photo of your ID that you are providing to TikTok. And then as you can see at the bottom, you need to tick these options right here for the declaration, and then you can then click on submit. What that will then do is it will send the age change request over to TikTok, and then they will get back to you via email. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can change your age on TikTok. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.